Hi, we're here at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, just right outside Nashville. Our number is 615-641-7720. Today we'll be looking at a Husqvarna Z460XS zero-turn mower. This mower has a 60-inch 10-gauge cutting deck. There is a removable floor panel for access to your cutting deck and spindles. This mower does have a high back seat with armrest. Coming along the side, we do have our hour meter, cup holder, and fuel tank. This mower has a fuel capacity of 12 gallons. There are 23-inch rear tires, as well as 13-inch front tires. This mower does have a rollover protection system, as well as a 23.5 horsepower Kawasaki FX 730V engine, as well as the Parker HT E12 transmissions. Coming along to the other side, you have your other fuel tank, as well as your controls with the ignition, throttle, and fuel gauge. This mower does come with a rubber chute, as well as a magnetic tapered pin cutting adjustment with cutting heights between 1.5 and 4.5. This mower does have a pedal for your foot operated deck lift. There is an electric blade engagement. Once again, this is the Husqvarna Z460XS. If you are interested in this mower or any other mower we have online, please give us a call at 615-641-7720.